Come on, solve it on paper too. So here we go. I think I already started. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to the high interrupt if you're watching for the first time, and don't forget to subscribe me. And now I'm gonna beg, like, please subscribe me.
Come on, solve it on
No.
paper too.
Actually, I'm just
So here we
jokes
go.
apart. Okay,
Nice.
so let me start.
I already
So
started.
welcome to the high
Hey guys,
interrupt and
welcome to
everything
the
is
channel.
working, and let me stop it. And now we can focus on the. Basically, this is today's day 36th, and I'm building endurance to solve DSA problems, and I'm pretty consistent. You can see, like, I have to go out for dinner, but now I'm confused. Like, I have to stream first. I know before 12 I have to solve at least one problem. Otherwise, like, now I just made my bed, and like I wanted to um, get on bed before 12, or at max I have to go on bed before 12 o'clock, and I have to wake up early in the morning, or not early, but yeah, I'm just trying to be early bird. Oh, early bird, right? I think, yeah. So jokes apart, and yeah, so we have so far I have solved so many problems, and boom, like we finished array, and now we are at the end of binary search, and after that we'll focus on the dynamic programming, the best part that I never solved fully, and this time I'm gonna follow multiple things. First thing, I'll watch the Aditya Verma's video, and also I'll solve here, and I'll watch tutorials if it's needed. Okay, now without wasting time, I wanted to jump into the problem, and I can see, like, if I can solve it before the time. Otherwise, I would order food from outside, and now I'm concerned about financial management also. Like, yesterday also I ordered food from outside, and I wanted to go out in the market, and I just wanted to enjoy there. I mean, yeah, that's why. So here, if you can see my screen, so it's day 36, and if you notice, I haven't solved any problem today. And if you know, there are 2 hours 40 minutes left before I break my consistency, and I know I'm not gonna break. So for that, even if it like at any cost, I have to solve the problem. Okay, if you see, someone pinged me, and just I finished work, and because of that I took this much of time. Otherwise, I was expecting, I thought maybe I'll start streaming at 8 o'clock, but unfortunately it like I was working on a work task, and tomorrow I have a holiday, so I can chill, and I can't chill, but yeah, I'll say, like, definitely I can focus on the things that I'm working upon instead of focusing on the all bullshit. I won't say bullshit because this is giving me money, and that's why. Okay, so jokes apart, everything, and let's focus on the problem. And let me start with the first problem. So let's target, like, where we'll. So it's, if you know, it's extension of the matrix part. So okay, given a 2D array. Hold on, 1 minute. Why I'm like, I just feel like my tongue is twisting. Oh god. So let me start again. Given a 2D array matrix where each row is sorted in ascending order from left to right, great, and each column is sorted in ascending order from top to bottom, great. Write an efficient algorithm to search for specific integer target in the matrix. Okay, great. So now we just made a little tweak, and it's not no more sorted in the horizontal direction, it's sorted in the vertical direction as well. So that means I need to use some sort of strategy so that instead of wasting, or instead of searching into the complete space, I can reduce it somewhere. I'm just thinking about it. Let me think, and we'll think together. Like, we'll think together, and we'll try to solve it. So far, I just want to chew my lips because I don't know why they are trying. You can hear my voice. Sorry, and sometimes I'm doing some stupid things, and pardon for it. Pardon me for it. Okay. Everything good? Yeah, good, bro. Let's start. I'm just trying to. I don't know how to. Like, I always used to, even teachers were telling me, why are you keeping your head down to the copy notebook when I'm up? Like when I was in college at that time, also I was like whenever I was writing exams, so I used to put my head near to the paper, and same still I'm doing the same things. Like I'm keeping my head near to the, you can say almost near to the, just few angle of difference, or it will be 180 degree. I'm just keeping near to iPad. You can say tablet. I'm not showing you. Like I'm just telling you. Okay, so jokes apart, and let's jump to the problem and be happy, guys. That is very important. 1, 4, 7, 11, and 15. So these are the numbers. 2, 5, 8, 12, 19. So there will be something like, definitely, if the array is sorted in the both direction, then we have to decide something better. We need to come up with better algorithm. Okay. And next element is 10, 13, 4. Oh man, they have created so many elements. 10, 13, 14, 17, 24. Okay. One thing for sure I can see, okay, it's not like all the elements in the next row will be greater than the previous row. Okay. First thing, that is the case. So I have to think a little more. Okay, no problem. We are here to solve the problem. 18, 21, 23, 26, 30. 21, 26, 30. And hold on, man. What you did? 18, 21, 23, 26, 30. Someone is pinging. I don't know why. 23. Hey, what I did? 18, 21, 23, 26, 30. Wow, great. Okay, let me just formulate it. And targets, we have two targets. And we have to hit both. Sorry. Target is 20 and target is 20. No, 5 and 20. I mean, these are different problems, examples, but I think they kept both same, right? 1, 4, 7, 11, 15, 2, 5, 8, 12, 2, 19. Okay, let's focus on it. I think both are same. Let me check it once. Come on, man. Why are you promoting every time good notes? It's not good. I don't know why people say it good notes. 2, 5, 8, 12, 19. And 3, 6, 9, 16, 22. Okay, both are same, right? Yeah, both are same. Why are you confused? Come on, man. Oh, my bad. I haven't shared it this screen. And I mean, I have quick time player. Come on, bro. I need you. I don't know. That's the problem. Like when we are streaming something, we are very stupid. Like we don't cut, we edit the video, and whatever the speed, maybe whatever the minute steps that we are following, we have to do everything. Like for example, I just wasted few seconds here. Okay, so you can see example. So how will we start, bro? First, I just wanted to see. We have the numbers that are, if you will compare, always these will be greater than this. And this one will be greater than this, right? Now I'm just thinking what will be the right approach to solve it. If I'll go with something like this, target 20, let's say target 5 is there, so we need to check, right? So suppose we started from here till here. Oh, 30, and this one. These are the numbers. It's like 1, 4, 7, 11, 15. First binary search. If I'll go with all the search, like just check one option that is coming into my mind. Simply you can do binary search on each. First check in this one, for second check in this one, third check in this one, this one, this one. But what is the benefit of it? It won't help us. The array is sorted in both directions, right? So we need to come up with some better approach. So what else we can do? First we need to check. Okay, for example, suppose someone is here, let's say at this location, we got some meat. Now we have two steps, like you can decide to go here, you can decide to go here, because if you wanted to go in, like you wanted to chase a larger number. Yeah, perfect. Okay, what I'm thinking, what could be the reason? How many elements are there? 2, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. 5 and 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. 25 elements. That means 0 to 24. Low will be 0 and high will be 24. I'm just assuming, bro. 24. Now if we'll go, I will get something 24. Mid by 24 minus 12, you will get something. Mid will be 12. And now if mid is 12, what does it mean? It means you are at somewhere here. I mean mid is 24, and so 12 by 25, 12 by 5 is nothing, but it will be something like, you will get second row, okay, 12, and second column, 5 to the 10 plus 12, so 2, so 2 comma 2, so it will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12, so 0 1 2, and 5, I did something wrong. Okay, 11 12, so this is 0 1, but here we are getting 1 row, bro. Mid is 12, okay. Mid is 12 means row will be, you can say 5 5 10 to 12. Okay, yeah, this one 13, so that means index is 13. Oh, I mean, yeah, so here, so we'll see. Mid, are you greater than this number or lesser than this? I'm just thinking like what would be the reason. If number is, suppose we have, our target is 5, that means all the numbers here will be greater than this, all the numbers here will be greater than this, that means all the numbers beyond it will be greater than this, all the numbers below it will be greater than this, and what else we can interpret from this? So all the numbers above will be smaller than this, and all the numbers here also will be smaller than this. But can we guarantee like this one will be bigger than this number? I don't think so. Because what if suppose this number is something 9, and here it is 9 also, 9 also, 9 9, and these are all 9s. Or maybe let's take 7 7 7 7 7 8 9. It could be right. So we can be 1 minute. I just wanted to see if there is any property. Each column is sorted in ascending order from top to bottom. Ascending order. They are not saying like it will be strictly. Okay, and the value target can be between this, and matrix I j can be between 10 to minus 10 to the power, so it could be negative, positive. It's an nm 300. So bro, little tricky for me. I never solved it, or I ever solved it. Great, bro. You never able to solve it. You will never uh, solved it. So what else, bro? Suppose I'm talking about it. So what else I can do? So we'll get made. Am I missing something? Okay. I know it can go in this direction here, or it can go in this direction here. But how to know? We are looking for 5. Can I say it will choose the least number, smaller number out of these two, and based on that, let it. No. How will you decide? 1 4 7 11 15 2 5 8 12 20 19 3 6 9 12 16 21 22. All the numbers will be bigger than this. All the number will be bigger than this. That means if these are bigger, then all these will be bigger. And so there are now only the pending numbers are these numbers and these numbers. You can say like this could be a case. If we'll go in this direction, that means what is this? What else? So this one will be not be in the range. This one will not be in. This one will not be range. This one will be not be in range. No, bro, that's not the ideal scenario here. What are the different options? Definitely, these are numbers. If these are bigger than this number, If we are talking about 20, let's say 9, we are here right now. How to decide like whether to go this direction or this direction? So this is 14. If you talk, if we talk about this 9, that means all the numbers, these are the smaller, these are the smaller, and these will be bigger numbers. These will be bigger than this. All the these are bigger. So we are looking for bigger number, bigger than 9. But if you notice, there are so many bigger numbers. You can say it could be here, it could be here. So if we are talking about this, so if it is going in this direction, then it, no, it won't work. First thing I'm thinking, maybe let me see, write down the property. Bigger in right and bigger in bottom. So how much time I spent? Oh, come on. Just 1 minute. I just have to order food. So the problem is, I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, hold on. What the heck? Have they raised the price or what? Oh man, it's very bad. They raised the price of food. Now, what the heck they are doing? Oh man, come on, bro. Camo Studio. You can see my screen, right? Hey, can you connect it? Yeah, perfect. Everything is going smooth except me. And this is a time where I feel like okay, I'm not going perfectly. Okay, let's think more about it. And I'm just thinking like what else we can do. I mean, sometimes I feel like my brain is not very sluggish. Still, I'm unable to detect what will be the right approach here. And one thing is like you can apply binary search on this direction for each row. Then what is the meaning of it? What is the meaning? How you are going to utilize the second approach? And am I missing something that is? Okay, for the timing you can see like if you are skipping this, if it is not found then you can skip this area. But how to skip it? I can check it into the other part, but what's the way to skip this part? And 0 1 2, no. I mean, I just if we are wanted to do it somewhere like this. I just thinking like, what if we'll flat this area? Can we do something? Like I'm just thinking, bro. I don't know what would be the solution for it. As of now, I don't know. I'm just trying out all the 1 4 7 11 15, 1 4 7 11 15, and let me know if you feel like I'm very slow person. Yeah, because I also feel, but I don't want to know, man, and that's why I'm practicing. That's, what are you saying, bro? Whatever mid will get. Will we able to decide like whether this will be in this? I don't. I think it will be pretty hectic if we'll go with this approach. We'll find something mid, and then we can say it won't be in this direction. Let's say if we want to find 20, so 9 is not the part of it, then we can say like it won't be in this direction, but it is. But how to discard it? That is challenging part, bro. Greater than this, greater than this. Okay, just thinking. If we are here, I think I need to think out of box or what. Suppose if we are here, then what are the decisions that we can see based on it? If this element, can we check these elements and this element and we can decide something? If it is between 9 and 7, like wherever we are, we just need to check boundary condition. If we need smaller, then we can go in this far. And yeah, I'm just thinking like, can we decide based on this? Like, I know from this we can decide like what are the different options that we can opt. We can go into this block. There are 4 blocks, and we can go into this block, or we can go into this block. I don't know. I think I'm making it more complicated or what? Come on, man. You are making it complicated. If it is greater than 9 to these are the numbers are, I mean, what? I'm clueless, man. But 147 11 15. Let me see if there is any property. I just made one mistake. 147 11 15 258 12 19. I don't 258 12 19 369 16 22. And 10 13 14 17 24. And third one is 18 21 23 26 30. Okay, we need 5. Based on it, can we decide like if it will be in this row? No, we are not sure. So, okay, it could be in this one or it could be. It's just I'm thinking one thing. We need to find a number, right? So what is the option? Like you, if you were to traverse, how you are going to traverse? 1, and you will see, okay, 4, which is the number that is closest to this mid. You will say 2, no. Then you will say 4, let's say 4. Okay. Now, okay, this is the thing that you did. And now after that you will see, okay, you are into 4, which is near number that is like target is 5. So you will get, okay, let me jump to the, so wherever you are, you will say, okay, let me jump to this number. Now you will say, okay, wait there, which number is closer to it? It will say, okay, this one is closer to me. And now you will see, okay, this number could be the result. So this is one thing that I'm pretty sure about it. And what if we wanted to get 20? Okay, so let's start again. First you will go 1, which is closer to 20. 4, or you know, you can go into two direction, let's say this direction or this direction. So where you will go? You will say 4. Let's start with 4, and you will say, okay, 4, which one is closer to you, 7 or 5? It will say 7. Okay, let me do one thing. It will say 7. Let me go to the 7. Let me go to the 4. And then it will say, okay, 8 and 11. Which one is the closest to 20? It will say 11. Okay. Now 11 will say, which one is closest to me? 15 or 12? So it will say, okay, 15. So, okay, 15. And now you will say, okay, now what else? What is the remaining part? Where you will go? So it will say 15, which is closer to you. It will say 19. And now 19 will say, okay, who is neighbor to you? 12 or 22? It will say 22, 12. It will be smaller than this, so it won't check this direction. Basically, you will get bigger number if you want to go, then these are the direction. If you want a smaller number, you can go backward direction and backward direction. These are the numbers where you will get a smaller number. And this, so smaller, I'm just trying to find out any pattern if bigger. Man, I'm completely clueless, so I'm just trying to find out if I can find out something. So 19, you will go into 19 and you will say, okay, 19, who is closer to, is bigger than this? It will say 22. So 22 is bigger. So it will say, okay, I can't go to 22, it's bigger. So what I'll do, I'll take back a step. And it will say, okay. Now this problem came arrived. No, now it will say, okay, let's jump to the 22. 22 is bigger. So can I say minus 1? And let's say we are looking for 23. So 23, right? So let's say 23. So we came here, 20. And if you see 24 is bigger number, then how will you decide, bro? It's like you are traversing in the R direction. If you, let's say for example for 9, oh no, it won't work in this way. Suppose we are here and we need 20. So what we'll do? Which one is closer to it? No man, it's not going to help me. Okay, start will be this. Hey bro, I think still I'm thinking not in the right direction or what? Can I say we are somewhere row and column? Right? So can we move like something like row column wise only? If it is matching then okay. If not matching then it's, if we need greater. What is the option? This is row, this is column. Can we skip based on it? Okay. How much time I spent, man? 10:24. Okay, come on. It's taking too much time. I'm not able to. Start the top right corner as it provides the vantage point. At the top right corner as it provides a vantage point. Moving left reduces the number. Moving down increases the value. Perform binary search on each row to find the target. Bro, come. Let me see it again. Start the top right corner as it provides the vantage point. Move left reduces the value. Increases the value. Great. And start top right. Then perform binary search on each row to find the target. The target may be present in multiple rows. Narrow to the search space by limiting to rows where row 0 I'm not getting it, man. What? Oh, come on, use your brain. Fucking crazy. Perform binary search on each row to find the target. Binary search on each row. I think I need to watch the tutorial. Cell of the matrix element. Search for target. If target is found, return true, else return false. This is brute force approach better. Lies the information that the matrix is sorted both ways. Zero comma zero. I need to watch to do it.
So what is the next thing? N into logarithmic base to m is something which is not working. Binary search did not work. Can we optimize this? Let's carefully look at some. If I stand over here, just hypothetically think on this. If I am standing over here, this is increasing, this is increasing. So if I'm standing over here and someone is saying, tell me where is 8. Can you for sure? Can you surely say that 8 will not be here? You cannot, because from this, like on the right side, it is increasing. On the bottom also, it is increasing. So you cannot decide on like which side 8 is lying. You cannot decide. Let's look at alternatives. Can I stand here? Even if I stand here and I'm looking for 8, this side is decreasing, right? And this side is also decreasing. So I again cannot decide where to go. That is impossible because both of them are decreasing. So I cannot surely say. Let's look at the other alternatives. What if I stand here? Let's carefully observe. Over here, this is decreasing and this is increasing. So can I say overall this line and this line is increasing? Like it's like 1, 4, 7, 11, 15, 19, 22, 24, 30. It's increasing overall. So can I surely say if I'm looking for 8, hypothetically, if I'm standing here, 8 can never lie over here. Can I surely say that? I can. I can. Why? Because everything is greater than 15. So 8 cannot lie here. But 8 can probably, I'm not sure. Probably here or somewhere here can be. But I'm very much sure that it will never be. It will never be here. I'm very much sure. And this is what we will try to use. Let's do a trial. You'll understand it in a much better way. Target is 14. Let's stand at 15. Okay, I'll probably change the color. Let's stand at 15. So we're standing at 15. I'm looking for 14. Can I surely say this is not my target? I can. And can I surely say that this is increasing? This is increasing. Thereby, 14 can never lie
Man,
over
he
here.
came
14 can
now.
never lie over here.
Hey guys, can I pause it? I don't know, man. Just a minute. I'll be back. I think I can mute it. हेलो हाँ भैया आप कहाँ नीचे हो 320 हाँ आ रहा हूँ 1 मिनट बस रुकना come on man okay I'll do one thing I don't want to stop or I don't want to I will finish it then only I'll have dinner and I have to go out as well so I'll do one thing let me mute Yeah, so I think it's working. Let me start camera. My today's day. I'm not able to solve a single problem, but no problem. Actually, I'm breathing little quickly, and reason is I just went down 2 floors and then came back, and without wasting my time. Okay, let me drink water, man. It's oh, I don't have water in bottle right now. I have little. Actually, it's too hot, man. The weather is killing. Like without fan, it's not possible to survive. Yeah, we can survive, but yeah, I have to go out for it. Okay, so I don't know if it's working camera or yeah. Let's jump. I mean, today I feel like it's been.
So what I'll do is, I'll start at row equal to 0 and column equal to, how much is that? 0, 1, 0, 1,
So
2,
what I'm
3,
saying-
4. So column is 4. Let me write down the row numbers. So can I surely say that this particular 14 that I'm looking for will never be in the column 4? I can. Thereby, I will simply move to 11. Hence, I'll say the column will reduce to 3. Perfect. I'm standing over here, and again carefully observe, this particular thing is sorted. I'm looking for 14. Now can I say it will never be? Yes, I can. I will eliminate this portion now. Just look at the elimination that's happening. I'll eliminate one row and I'll move to the bottom. That's to 12. That means I'll increase the row. Perfect. So I'm standing at row 1 and column 3. What am I looking for? 14. Can I definitely say I can never find 14 here? I can. Thereby, this will be omitted and I'll move one step down and I'll increase the row. Perfect. I'm looking for 14, which is definitely not equivalent to this. And can I say I can probably have 14 here, but I can never have it here. Hence, I will say
1 minute.
eliminate this.
Bro.
And
1 minute.
hereby this will be omitted and I'll move one step down and I'll increase the row. Perfect. I'm looking for 14, which is definitely not equivalent to this. And can I say I can probably have 14 here, but I can never have it here. Hence, I will say eliminate this and move one place here, which is reduce the column. Perfect. I'm having 9. I'm looking for 14. That's definitely not it. Thereby, I can say I'll never have it here because all of these numbers are lesser. Hence, I'll eliminate this and I'll increase the row to 3 and I'll reach at 14. The moment I'm reaching at 14, in the next check, that's equivalent to the target. Hence, it's at the row, comma, column. And if you carefully see, the row is 3 and the column is 2. What did I do? I eliminated. And at every time I was eliminating a row or a column. So this does work. What is the time complexity? We'll be discussing that, but before that, let's quickly write down the code. It's super simple. I know one thing, the row is 0. Initially, I'm standing at column m minus 1. Now, I will be moving. Observe one thing. You either move this side or you either move downwards, isn't it? So basically,
0, comma.
while moving, you might cross the buttons. Or while moving down, you might cross the rows. So can I write while till I have rows, like till I have rows, and till I have columns? That's it, quite simple. And in case if the matrix is having the row and the column equivalent to the target, I say I've got my value, and you can return this value, which will be your answer. Just go ahead and return it. Pretty much simple. Or else, if the matrix of row column is lesser than target, can I surely say it will never be in that row? Thereby, you will say row plus plus. Or else there is only one condition, which is column minus minus. Perfect. If the while loop ends, you can return something like minus 1, comma minus 1, stating the value was never found. Very simple. Now you might be thinking, Striver, does it only work if we stand here? Can I stand here?
Yeah.
Yes, you can. Even if you start your algorithm from here, it will still work. Why is that? Because even if you look at this carefully, this is also sorted. So when you're standing at 18, you can say that this is starting points. One is definitely the. If you carefully observe, since this portion is the time complexity, I'll take the worst one. But tell me one thing. On and we are cancelling the row. These are question because I cannot go in a diagonal direction. We are moving down and we are cancelling the row from 15 and you're looking for
Let
it.
me see complex.
What is the worst? It's basically going from one corner to the other corner. But tell me one thing. What possible movements are we doing? We're either moving something like this and we're cancelling the column, Or either we are moving down and we are cancelling the row. These are the movements we are doing, isn't it? Something I know for sure is, if I have to go from here to here, I cannot go in a, like, what do you say, hypotenuse direction, because I cannot go in a diagonal direction rather. Why? Because that direction is something which our logic doesn't do. Just is going row plus plus, that is down, a column minus one is which is left. So I'm very much sure that from, like, to go from here to here, I have to take these many vertical steps. And what is these many steps? That's the number of rows I'll have to go in rows. And I'll also have to traverse the m horizontal steps, right?
And then
Thereby, in total, the complexity will be n
Oh.
plus m, because I'll have to take these steps. What you can do is, you can take this example and take this example, and you will be seeing that first you go from here to here, then 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 you go from here to here, yes, then you go from here, then you go from here, then you go from here. So eventually, you would have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 vertical and 1, 2, 3, 4 horizontal steps. So 4 plus 4 is 8, which is basically n plus m. Thereby, the time complexity is big O of n plus m. What about the space complexity? That's a big O of 1. So this will be the complexity of the optimal algorithm. So let's quickly get back into the code editor. By the way, in the problem statement, they ask.
I think I'm not gonna solve it like without watching the tutorial. Now I need to let me clarify it. I know, man. Don't say any words. Yes. Yeah, I was thinking in a different direction from this point. Okay. No problem. Let's say. So first thing is, what will be the row? The row value will be always greater than, like, if we are using it like m and n, m rows n columns, and it will be like 0th rows and mth column. Man, what are you doing? I just spat on my screen. I always 0 and minus 1, and it will be something like m minus 1 and 0. Okay. So first thing, what needs to be done. So here, if we notice, like, we have to perform loop condition while, you can say, row. Okay, let's say row will be 0, call will be n minus 1, and while row is less than n and call is greater than equals to 0, then we can perform this operation. And if mat of row and column equals to target, what needs to be written? I think it's just true false, right? Come on, man. Yeah, return true. Okay. Else, let's say else if greater than target. If it is greater than target, that means if we'll go, suppose it's like here, so if it's bigger than target, then if we'll go in this direction, then it will be bigger. So definitely we can't go in this direction. We can remove that particular column and we can go in this direction. So okay. So row equals to, oh, it was simple, man. Why I was not thinking like this? I'll ask ChatGPT. Am I slow or what? So row pivoting point, they are calling it as pivoting point. So 0, and column will be nothing but okay, let me first take m and n. M number of rows, m len of matrix, and n ln of matrix of 0 n and man. So you can say, no, let me do n minus 1 while row less than n, right, and column less than greater than equals to 0, greater than or equals to 0. What needs to be? Just dance with the, sometimes that's why I think I need to sharp my memory, and I don't know if you have any idea. If anyone is gonna watch, then just let me know. Do let me know how to sharp memory. I'll ask ChatGPT maybe. Actually, I need to master ChatGPT. Okay, if matrix of, that's why I am dumb person, I'll say, but I can't be harsh to myself. Actually, if you want to do something, then you have to be polite to yourself first thing. Accept what you are and where you want to be. So believe in yourself, okay? And please follow it. Follow this saying. It's very important if you wanted to achieve whatever you wanted to. Return true. EL if, and you can say matrix of row column is greater than, I think it's better if I'll use something like I'll calculate here and then I'll compare it, greater than target. So if it is greater than target, then just do what? So it means we can't get it into the column, into that particular column, because that is bigger numbers. So you can say column equals to column minus 1, else row equals to row plus 1, and finally return false if we are not able to. If it was so simple, then why? I think I did some mistake here. If you notice, M, master. Sometimes why I feel still I'm a dumb person, for sure. Submit, let me submit it. Finally, I've done it, and after lot of hustle and tussle, you can say, yeah, man, it's like a few lines of code only, but I was not getting the solution for it, and I was roaming around. I was thinking in the same traditional approach, not approach, it's approach. I thought maybe we need to find the maid and all. It's completely different problem. Okay, so I still feel like I'm not good at bind research. Still, there are problems where I need to think out of bind research or in a different way. Okay, no problem. Next time I'll remember it. Let me write down some note related to it. What is time, bro? It's 10:48. So I'll go out now. After a while, like after having dinner. Actually, yeah, I wanted to go out early, but tomorrow I'll go. Like tomorrow I'll have dinner outside. Add a note. Let me add note. You fucking bastard. I don't know. What is the spelling of bastard? I'm able to come up with solution. It's not going to help you. I think I should start watching the videos of Aditya Verma so that I can first I'll watch them, then I can easily solve the problems. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. and I'm going to enjoy my dinner. I'm going to have my dinner. Bye bye. Okay, I have a habit of like closing the camera, but oh, it's not going to help. Okay, thank you so much.